Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So I apologize for being away for it's been about a month, guys. I've been away, but what I have been doing is trying to upgrade the visibility of this channel, and I've been working really hard at it by creating more modern looking thumbnails for some of the videos. So in today's video, as I chat with you about the upcoming changes, I'm going to be making two beautiful, easy to make candle holders, or you can use flowers in them if you like. You can use this for home or you can use it for a special event. The vases and some of the trim I'm going to be using today is from the Dollar Tree. So before I get started talking to you about the changes I'm going to be making, I'm going to show you this beautiful lace. This lace is so gorgeous, guys, and I got this from Amazon. It's lace with a glitter pieces onto it, and the glitter doesn't fall off. So I'm going to be using this to cover the outside of the vase. I'm just going to cut off 2 equal sections, and then I'm going to move on to the next step. So while I do that, I'm going to chat with you a little bit about some of the changes that I want to make for the channel. This visual change is what I'm working on right now. I plan to upgrade a lot of the thumbnails on the videos that I have posted up on the channel. I want the channel to look current, have a modern look, or either have a nice, clean, modern aesthetic. And that's what I want to go for. So I'm not changing any of the videos. I'm not taking them down. I'm not, not getting rid of them or anything. I'm going to let the video itself stand as it is. I'm just going to change the thumbnails. And so I've been working on that. And while I was away, I have been posting shorts. So I've posted about 15 shorts in the last few weeks. And so I'm going to continue making shorts as I make content. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing. That's the changes that I'm going to make. Hopefully you will see the difference and the change in the channel visually. Okay guys, so I'm going to continue making the vase. And so what I'm going to do now that I've cut my lace into the 2 equal pieces, I'm going to be using my Aileene's clear gel tacky glue. This is my favorite glue. And then I'm going to use a silicone makeup brush to spread the glue onto the vase. I'm going to lay the lace on top, and using the silicone brush, I'm just going to make sure that the lace is laying flat and sticking to the glue. And so I'm going to just use my silicone brush to pat that into place and to just get that lace adhered. Once I get one section done, I'm going to do the other section. So while that's drying, I'm going to start on the second vase. And as you can see, I'm using the same type of lace here. This lace is sort of ivory in color, and it has the same large pieces of glitter, which it's not overly done, guys. The glitter just gives it a lovely shimmer to the lace. And so I'm just going to do the same thing to this vase that I did with the first one. All right, guys, so it has been a few hours. It's been actually 3 hours, and this is completely dry. And as you can see where the lace has kind of overlapped just a little bit, but it does look natural. It doesn't look awkward or anything. So I do love the way it turned out. So I'm going to use my scissors. I'm going to cut away that extra lace that's above the top of the vase. So for my trim, I'm going to use the silver diamond wrap. I got that from the Dollar Tree as well. And I'm going to use 2 rows to adhere to the top. And I'm going to use 2 rows at the bottom. But before I do that, guys, you know me, I have to remove those black lines that are behind this wrap because I really don't like it. And I don't want to be able to see it once I attach it to the vase. So I'm going to use my silver metallic marker. And I'm going to use that and just run it across the top of the lines and just disguise that line a little bit. It looks really nice as it is. It really does. But I'm going to be using these rhinestone buttons that I picked up from Amazon, and I'm just going to attach them to the top of the vase. I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue to do that. And I really do love the way this looks. It looks chic, it looks elegant. So now that I've removed all that excess at the top of the vase, I'm going to be using the pearl wrap. Again, I got this from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using 2 rows of that as well to edge out the top and the bottom of the vase. Let me know what you think about some of the changes that I've talked about that I'm going to make to the channel. I'm really interested in what you have to say about it and how you feel about it. It is your channel too, guys, as well. So I'm just going to finish up this second vase. I'm going to add a beautiful pearl brooch to finish it off, to set it off really nicely. Okay guys, so this is it. Both projects are done. They both turned out absolutely beautiful. I love the way they look. And again, as I always say, you let me know what you think in the comment section below. I appreciate you so much for watching and for being with me. And please don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to thumbs up the video. Don't forget to hype the video. If you see the hype button there, don't forget to hype the video and give me some points, because that does help the channel grow. And with that said, guys, you stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.